Buongiorno, buongiorno a stanza. In, we used to say buongiorno a stanza. Let's say all the people in this room, you know. So, today let's enjoy in a different way our beautiful language, the Neapolitan. And I've chosen this beautiful song by Salvatore Gambardella, Quando tramonta o sola, when the sun sets. The part where you can find the scegliati, wake up, svegliati. Let's begin. Si dorme o si non dorme, bella mia, senta per un momento questa voce, che te va bene assai, sta in mezza via, per te cantare una canzoncella rosa. Ma se rumena non ti sei scetata, sta stella, non si può rapire. E non ricamo sta mandolinata, scegliete bella mia, non più dormire. Gela si sono arrocchiate 100 stelle, tutte per sta a sentire questa canzone. Aggiunti parlà i tre più belli, dicevano già tena la passione. È passione che non passa mai, passa il mondo e se non passerà. Tu certo a che se non ci penserai, ma tu nasciste per m'affatturare. Che meraviglia, amazing. Alright, let's go. Si dorme o si non dorme, bella mia. If you are sleeping or even not sleeping, my dear, my sweetheart, sienta per un momento questa voce, lend an ear for a while for this voice. Chi te va bene assai, sta in mezzo a via, who loves you so much, is in the middle of the street, is stranded on the street, per te cantare una canzoncella rosa, for singing, just for dedicating, for serenading you, a sweet song. Ma sei un man e non desiscetata, but you were sleeping and never woke up. Sta stella non si può rapire, and that windows of your room cannot be open. E non ricamo sta mandolinata. This sweet melody, this serenade made by mandolinata comes from a mandolin. The root is mandolin. It's a serenade made with the mandolin. E un ricamo, it is an embroidery, it's art of peace in the beauty of an embroidery. That's intricate beauty of an embroidery. Scegliete bella mia, non più dormi. Wake up, get up, sweetheart. Stop sleeping. Gela si sono arrocchiata, 100 stelle, in the sky, gela. They are gathered, arrocchiate, reunited, arrocchiate, gathered, 100 stars. Tutte per sta a sentire, all just for listening at this song, at questa canzone, and this serenade. Aggiuntis parlà, I heard talking whispering the three of those more beautiful stars. And they were saying, they were appreciating, Giatena ha passione, ne ha di passione. He got that passion. È passione che non passa mai. It's a passion that never ends. It's an endless passion, memorable. Passa lo moon. The world is rolling ahead, is rolling on. Essa non passerà, but the passion will never end, will stay there in that place. Tu certo a questo non ci penserai. Certainly, I'm sure that you will don't think about, that you will not pay attention to what's going on. Ma tu nasciste per m'affatturare. Amazing, I love this last line. Tu certo a questo non ci penserai, ma tu nasciste per m'affatturare. Affatturare è fatturare, ma more precisely to give a spellbound, you know, a spellbound. And but you were born to bewitch me, to spellbound me, right? So let's go with the Italian. Svegliati, sia che tu dorma o non dorma, mia bella, ascolta per un istante questa voce. Chi ti vuole bene è in mezzo alla strada per cantarti una dolce canzone. Ma stai dormendo e non ti sei svegliata. Questa finestrella non si vuole aprire. È un ricamo questa mandolinata, questa serenata. Svegliati, mia bella, non dormire più. Nel cielo si sono radunate 100 stelle, tutte per ascoltare questa canzone. Ho sentito parlare le 3 più belle. Dicevano, ne ha di passione. È una passione che non passa mai, eterna. Passa il mondo, essa non passerà. Tu a ciò non penserai di certo, ma tu nascisti per stregarmi. Guys, I invite you to listen this song. It's a song, okay, but I read just for understanding the meaning, okay. I'm reading in verses, not in musical verses, but in poetry verses that is quite different. Trying to be as close as possible to the musical meter. Okay. We read again in Neapolitan. Okay. Scegliete. The title of the song o titolo della canzone è Quando tramonno sole by Salvatore Gambardella, a Neapolitan artist. Scegliete. Si dorma o si non dorma, bella mia, sienta per un momento questa voce. Chi te vo bene assai, sta a mezza via, per te cantare una canzoncella roce. Ma stai dormendo e non ti sei sciatata. Sta finestrella non si guarda più. E non ricamo sta mandolinata, scegliete, bella mia, non chiudi dormire. Gelo si sono arrucchiate 100 stelle, tutte per sta a sentire questa canzone. Aggiundise parla i 3 più belle, ricevono già tena passione. È passione che non passa mai. Passa lo mondo, essa non passerà. Tu certo a questo non ci penserai, ma tu nasciste per m'affatturare. I've chosen this one because I really, really love this. Guys, I want to focus on something. Allora, so let's check something interesting to to focus, to underline. Vabbè, the first line is very easy, si dorme if you sleep o si non dorma, or if you do not sleep. Bella mia, o mia bella, Madonnina is another popular song. Bella mia is a poem, a poetic verse. Okay, I like to say my love. Ok, la mia amata, mia amata. Siente per un momento, apostrof, per, nu, one, moment, for a while. Questa voce, this voice. Chi te vo bene, chi te vuole, who loves you, third person singular, ben assai. Ben assai is a musical phrase that you will find in several songs, okay? Who loves you so much? Sta mezzo is in the middle, is standing in the street, because the ambience is depicting a serenade, somebody in love serenading like Giulietta and Romeo, no? Pette cantà per cantarti, per, tu, te, a te, to you, canta per cantarti, ok? To sing as to you a sweet, una canzoncella. Canzoncella is a diminutive, but is used in a sweet way. It's in a cute way, to describe a beautiful thing. Okay, very sweet. Canzoncella dolce, roscia, sweet. Ma stai, Rurmen, but you are sleeping, Rurmen, e non te si scetata. You never let hear the final vowel, but there is something in the tone that you is apparently you feel the a, but you don't feel. Is a ghost vowel, okay, in Neapolitan. So scetata, ta. If it's masculine, scetato. Listen the difference in the ghosting vowel O and ghosting the vowel A. Okay. In this case, it's a feminine because the woman is a female, is a woman. So scetata, scetata, ta. Masculine, scetato. Okay, be careful to these little nuances. That's what you call in English ghost vowel. Sta Fenestella, Fenestella Caluciva is another amazing, super popular song. The famous window located a Mare Chiaro. Sta Fenestella, questa, this, Fenestella, little windows, finestra in Italian, window, finestrella, little window, fenestella, again we mute the vowels. Sta fenestella, okay, literally read. non savorapi, non sa. Anche qua vedi, you see, the legato, let's compare to the music, okay, to the music theory. Non sa, in Italian, non se. A great difference between Italian and Napolitan is also this one. That in Napolitan we use a lot the legato from by a musical side. Okay, so nuns becoming one word. Okay, nuns vo arapi. Ok, è un ricamo, è un ricamo, an embroidery. Sta mandolinata, embroidery in the sense that is some beautifully intricate piece of art, ok? Embroidery, no? Sta mandolinata. It comes very difficult to translate in English to give the same sense. Mandolinata is the action of playing mandolin, but it's not exactly this, because sta mandolinata, sta schitarrata, sta pifferata. No, for each instrument we may use the action, it's like your English form in ing, the genitive, no? The ing form, but it's a different. Mandolinata, sta mandolinata, in this case, per mandolinata, we want to exactly, precisely intend the serenade made by a mandolin, ok? Scetate, bella mia, wake up, bella mia, my love. Non più dormi. Ecco, here we find this. Allora, this is a choice of the songwriter about the musical meter, because usually we say non dormi più, ok? Non dormi più, non dormire più, ok? Stop sleeping, okay? But the songwriter decided to invert the order of the wordings. Let's say, non più dormi sounds more beautiful, and it comes in the exactly in the meter, okay? Cielo, in cielo, another combined word, okay? In cielo, cielo, ndu cielo, in the sky. Se so, they are reunited. Se so, sono, si Italian, si sono, loro si sono, le stelle. Where is the subject? The star. In the end of the line on the sentence, stelle, stars. The star have reunited, okay, 100, cento, again, ghosting the last vowel. Cento is 100, 100 stars, okay. If we don't use stelle, it's like you say in English, hundreds, not precisely define how many, but we are talking of hundreds, okay? Cento, 100 stars, arrocchiarsi, to reunite densely, okay? To crowd in one place, okay? All 100 stars, they run on the sky, there to listen at this song, this masterpiece. Tutte pesta sentì, all to listen, to enjoy this song, okay, this melody, okay. Per, okay, again, the R, the consonant is omitted, okay. Stare, in this case, sta can be used as per the verb of stare at third person singular, but we are talking of 100 stars, so it's also in this case identifying stanno, third person plural, the 100 stars. Assentire, ad ascoltare. More precisely when we talk about music in Italian, we use the verb ascoltare. Sentire, and when you listen at something, okay? Sentì questa canzone. That is, there is also this difference in using sentire o ascoltare in between Neapolitan and Italian. Alright? Questa in italiano, this song, or I would prefer to translate melody, because we are talking of stars, we are fantasizing, that the stars, so I would translate in a more beautiful way, a melody instead of a canzone, okay? Beautiful melody. Aggiuntis, ho sentito, aggio, io ho, I have, ndiso, sentito, listened, ndiso, inteso. In napoletano, in Neapolitan become this. Parlare, again Italian parlare for the whole, written for in the whole, in Napolitan truncated, we truncate the last syllable, R-I, parlare, parla. Le tre più belle, ok, ora, the three more beautiful, the stars, okay, we are talking of the stars, più belle, beautiful, three, li. Questo è un'altra derivazione dal latino, che poi nei tempi, nelle varie epoche letterarie, 700, 800, 700, 800, 17, 18, 19th centuries, he has been morphed, okay, and becoming li. But when we read this, is plural indefinite, okay, genderless. But since we are talking of a feminine adjective, belle, that in English you don't have, okay, you don't discern, but in Italian, in Neapolitan, we have, so when we pronounce, because li is, if you pronounce li, if you read always also EI, the letter I, is masculine. So no, we have to mute this I, okay? Le tre più belle. Again, you listen the legato, the musical legato, that is very, very often used in the Neapolitan, especially we are talking of musical songs, okay? Let's try to read without the ligature, okay? Aggio, diso, parla, li, tre, più belle. Now let's sing atonally, reading without a tone, toneless, but using the legato. aggiuntiso, aggiuntiso, parla, le tre più belle. It's quite different. It's much more beautiful. Okay, that's what the music meter is giving. You know, the accentation, the tonality, the omission, the muting, and so and so and so. Okay, we have to we must refer all the time to the music. Okay, because when we read a Neapolitan song, we are reading music. Okay. Dicevano, they were saying, già Atena ce ne ha di passione, ok? Già Atena ce ne. Allora, in this case, why we have the letter N? Doesn't look have any pertaining meaning, but is a musical again interaction. You know, it's a nuance that contribute to give a beautiful sound. You know. At last, guys, we are in the music or in literature. The meter, the metric, the cadenza. We can discern, no? Cadenza musicale, cadenza letteraria, and so, poetica. But the soul and the unique and main scope of, I don't want to say soul, I mean the main meaning of the metric is to give beautiful sound in the reading, in the singing, and so on, to avoid all those cacophonic and bad tones that would ruin the beauty of a song, of a verse, of a line, whatever we want to talk about. Okay, so we don't forget, music equal poetry, reading. Okay, people does that. Since I am a former musician, no, and I like music so much, that is absolutely important. Okay, when you compose a poem or a song, the most important is the metric, absolutely, if you want to give the proper sense for that sequence of notes that you like to give, and that in that specific key could be a minor, a major. Okay, usually the minor, everybody we know that is used mostly, is famous for that melodramatic, you know, sad tone the most. Ok, è passione che non basta mai. It's a passion that will never end. Ok, passare, to walk around. Okay, to walking by. Will never go away. Okay, it's used in this case, will never take an end, will never end. Passa l'uno, the world is keep rolling, going ahead, but the passion that these stars are listening will be forever in their hearts. Okay. Tu certo a chi non c'è penserai. Ora, another thing, guys, penserai, passerà. The double consonant are very beautiful and very common in Neapolitan again and again for a beautiful sound. Okay, so, but sometimes you will hear that we Neapolitan, including me, we don't give the proper accentation, emphasis on the double R. Okay, for example, passerà, passerà, passerà. No, depends on the context, but usually in music we have to emphasize the double R here because it's giving that the prolonged note, ok? Passerà, penserai, ok? Penserai, ok? Mm? Okay, guys, thank you very much. I hope that I have been as much precise possible to identify all those nuances, small things that helping you how to translate, shift, transcript properly from Neapolitan to English to Italian and vice versa. All right? Okay. Thank you very much. And Shuvrim, signore, signora, spera, non sono un poeta e non sono un cantante, ma tengo una passione per la musica che non finisce mai. E spero a profondo il cuore mio che va girata, che va già fatta godere abbastanza con questa canzone meravigliosa. I really hope I'm not a singer. When I was young, I was singing. But I play instruments for the whole of my life. I have a great passion for music. And I hope, but I'm not a poet. I'm not, but based on my experience, I hope that I can, I give you this a pleasant intermezzo musicale, okay, reading this song in a manner that allows you to interpret it better and enjoy, okay, the meter of this beautiful song. Alright guys, thank you very much, bye! Ciao Sadim, signore e signora, buona serata, buona giornata a tutto quanto. Alla prossima, grazie.